Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm taking you on a little fruit adventure with Tic Tac. Tic Tac has been around since 1969, first introduced by Ferrero company, Italian company. They since started making different flavors, and ever since they came out with these large containers with 200 mints, I've been buying those. So now onto the cookies. I used the paper template to make the cookies, and here I'm using another paper template, an edible marker, and we're just going to draw quick outlines just so we know where to start piping with icing. I'm going to use white royal icing first, and throughout this design we're going to do mainly wet on wet, so have lime green, yellow, red, and also if you have orange you can have those on hand, and then start piping mints onto the white. I'm using about 15-second consistency royal icing. For the recipes for the cookies and royal icing, be sure to visit the description box under the video. Links to the recipes are posted there. So I'm using yellow, red, and green. Now take a little bit of white royal icing and just give it a little bit of a shading on the edge of each mint. Now we're gonna do the bottom. Now you can start adding the mints as soon as you have your icing smoothed out. Now we can start piping the mints on a bare cookie. I'm going to do this in sections. We have to let the mints dry before adding a mint next to it so they don't blend together. So starting with whatever color you want and then letting it rest, and then you can start piping mints next to it. Because these are rather small, crusting will take maybe 5-10 minutes tops. Alright, now we're gonna have to let that dry completely, and then we're gonna paint it with blue food coloring. So I've got sky blue, royal blue, and some white food coloring. I've dipped my paintbrush in water and then I remove the excess by dabbing it onto a clean dry paper towel. You don't want to add too much water on your royal icing because then it will start dissolving. The sugar will start dissolving and you'll end up having a really like rough surface on your icing. So just use a little bit of water and a little bit of food coloring. Let that dry completely and then use your paper template and a needle tool and transfer the outline for the logo. Basically, you're just very gently scraping the surface of the icing and it will leave you a really nice outline, and then you can start piping. We're gonna start with white border and then I'm going to make the border thicker. Here, adding more icing, smooth it out with a needle tool and then fill the center with leaf green royal icing. I'm going to have to let this crust and then we can use piping consistency white royal icing, and I'm just going to pipe Tic Tac. And here they are, Tic Tac cookies. These were so fun to make and I think these turned out really cool, almost like a real thing. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below, and thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time.